Google Pay protects your actual card details by using virtual card numbers instead. These virtual numbers act as a secure layer between your real card information and merchants. The first method to find your virtual card number is through the Google Wallet app. Open the app, tap on your payment card, then tap Details, and finally tap Virtual Account Number. The second method uses your web browser. Go to wallet.google.com, select Payment Methods, click on your card, and then click Manage Virtual Card. This will redirect you to your card issuer's website. The third method is through Chrome browser settings. Open Chrome, go to Settings, then Payment Methods, select your card, and choose Virtual Card. Important note, not all banks allow the full virtual card number to be displayed in Google Pay. If you cannot see your complete virtual card number, contact your bank's customer service or check your bank statements for the information. Virtual card numbers are a powerful security feature that protects your real card information during online transactions. When you make an online purchase, the virtual card number is used instead of your actual card details, creating a secure barrier between merchants and your real financial information. Virtual card numbers are specifically designed for online purchases and cannot be used for in-store contactless payments through NFC technology. You have full control over your virtual cards through Google Pay or your card issuer's website. You can add new virtual cards, edit existing ones, delete cards you no longer need, or reactivate previously disabled cards. Google Pay employs multiple layers of security technology to protect your payment information. This includes tokenization, which replaces sensitive data with unique tokens, encryption for data protection, and advanced fraud detection models. Google's fraud detection system uses sophisticated cloud-based architecture to analyze payment patterns in real time, helping to identify and prevent fraudulent transactions before they occur. This virtual card system continues to expand with support for more card types and financial institutions. Google is also developing digital ID storage capabilities, allowing you to securely store identification documents in your digital wallet for enhanced convenience and security.